image. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something I've been waiting for quite some time, since mid-2019. It is now almost the summer of 2021. But this has been on back order. This is from Primary Arms, and we're going to go ahead and open it. So, opening device. We're coming from the bottom here. Let's excuse the lighting. It might be a little harsh. Filling at night. Okay. Nice recyclable material. And there are arms. Okay, get out the invoice and stuff. Sunshade, and then we have the scope itself. So, dumping stuff all over the place. Let me get this out of the way. So, it's kind of a budget scope, but it is pretty cool. As you can see, it is a Primary Arms SLx Silver Series 3 to 18 power by 50 millimeter. This one uses the Athena BPR MIL reticle, kind of Christmas tree style. Let's see if I can get some of this lighting not so harsh so you can see the dots. But they actually stagger the diameter of the dots to make them easier to pick out. And this should be pretty tight fit on the box. Very nice. So, let's see, get this out of the way. So you can see how every other dot is slightly larger than the next. And then this is this first focal plane. As you zoom in, you maintain the aspect ratio to your image. So here's our stats. For your reference. It is illuminated, and I did order a discounted sunshade, which can go on the end, and got a cleaning cloth, very nice padding here. That's extra. See, that's on there, that's on there. There it is. Pop off the cap already. Muck it up too much. A little bit of desiccant there. And I don't think we're going to be able to. Well, you know what it might. If I get something. Oh, doi. Oh, there we go. Come on. Can we get this under the camera? So I can show what the reticle looks like. That is really tiny. Let me see if I can zoom it up. Might have to get a throw lever for this too. Come on. Sort of see it, but you can see our turrets. Click, it's 10th of a mil. It's a battery compartment. get the light to turn on. That's on it. There you go. Might be better actually if I put the cap down. Alright, now you can see a tree. We also got our height estimator on the right. And am I on full? Yeah, I'm on 18 power already. So let's see if I can get that into view as I try to zoom back out. You can see how with the first focal plane scope, the tree is shrinking as the zoom is also shrinking. Until you get your basic duplex reticle. Still got a range. Height estimator. And let's see, does it turn off between light settings? Yes, it does. Pretty cool. Okay, so again, this is a primary arms. Silver Series. So it's kind of budget. SLx6 through to 18, first focal plane. Let's put this right what the sunshade looks like. Come on, that's really on there. Get that wipe. You can see there's been a little bit of drying agent on there. And now we got this ginormous scope. Ta-da! Pretty cool. I'm going to stick it in a cantilever mount at some point. And yeah. So again, we've been waiting for this for, well, over a year. SLx6 3 to 18 by 50 Silver Series primary arms. Check them out. Primary Arms sells a lot of different brand name stuff as well as their own Primary Arms line of items. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the playlist as well as other show and tell and review type videos on the channel. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.